So let's see together how to ask politely, well, things in French. So we'll see a few examples, and then I hope it will be more clear after. I'd like to talk to you. J'aimerais te parler. J'aimerais te parler. J'aimerais te parler. As you can see, we tend to use quite much this aimer. Aimer is to like or to love, remember? In the conditional form, to use this would like to concept, like in English, obviously. J'aimerais te parler. I would like to talk to you. Another option is souhaiter. I would like to talk to you. We can use this souhaiter to wish. And same thing here, we'll continue with the conditional form. Je souhaiterais te parler. Je souhaiterais, so this one is funny to pronounce, souhaiterais te parler. Je souhaiterais te parler. I would like to talk to you. Same thing here. Souhaiter is to wish, but then when you put that in the conditional form, it's I would like to, I would wish to, I would like to talk to you. Okay? On continue. I would like to talk to you. Je voudrais te parler. Same thing here. Another option is the verb vouloir. Vouloir, it's to want. Okay, but when we put it in the conditional form, je voudrais, it's the same meaning, so I would like to. Je voudrais te parler. Je voudrais te parler. Another option, could I have a word with you? Pourrais-je te parler? Pourrais-je te parler? Okay, so in that case, pouvoir, remember, pouvoir is can. And in that case is the conditional form. So it's really this could concept. Huh? So we tend to put first the verb and after that the subject. So it makes this question extremely formal. It's extremely correct. Pourrais-je te parler? Can I talk to you for a minute? Je peux te parler? Je peux te parler? Je peux te parler? So you need to raise your voice at the end of this one, because as we keep the order je peux, I mean, it could be an affirmation in that case. So we want to make it clear that it's a question. So, je peux te parler? I would like to tell him what I think of his idea. J'aimerais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. J'aimerais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. J'aimerais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. So as you can see in that case, we're using again the verb aimer in the conditional. So I would like to tell him what I think of his idea. So another option, whoops, as you can see, in my souhaiterais, I've been mixing the order, so A should come before the E. Sorry about that. So you will correct that. I will correct the PDF after. Je souhaiterais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. Je souhaiterais, remember, it's A-I-S, hein? Not like that. Lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. Je souhaiterais lui dire ce que je pense de son idée. I would like to tell him what I think of his idea. Another option, remember, it was vouloir. Je voudrais lui dire ce que je